just tried to do my best, alright? I wasn't a Marine, okay? I lied about that. Also, I never even served. I never fired a gun. My tattoo's fake too. I lied so I could team up with you guys, maybe. Even a fucking loser would have a chance to survive.
It's your fault.
Gi-Hun, please, I swear, I was really going to return with those vaccines. I swear I gathered the ammo and I was gonna take it. I got freaked out and couldn't move.
Gi-Hun, where are you? Come in, Gi-Hun. We're in the extra magazine. Are you on your way? Answer me.
Oh, you're a fool! It'll kill them! You fucking killed them all!